XHHD523 is cable sheath fault pointing instrument. The device is used to find a fixed point after the approximate location. It is actually a high-voltage pulse source, which sends a pulse signal to the faulty cable. The pulse voltage is converted into current, and the step voltage method is used to sense the direction of the current through the receiving box and the ground rod to find out the specific fault point. Wiring. Make sure that the wiring is correct before operation. The red wire is the high voltage output wire. Plug it into the high voltage output. The ground wire is connected to the ground. If it is a single core cable, it is connected to the armor. For the faulty cable, the blue is the faulty phase. Connect the other end of the high voltage output line to the faulty phase, and the other good phase is suspended because the ground for our experiment is insulated, so we put it on the ground. The cable ends were connected together during rough testing, and now untied and suspended. The green key is the start button. Yellow one is the PFN, DC function button. Yellow light is on for pressure test. Yellow light is off for positioning test. When doing outer sheath location test, just switch to positioning test. The withstand voltage function can be used during the withstand voltage test for cable sheath. The voltage can be raised to 10 kilovolts, and the current can be up to 200 mA. Now start to do positioning detection. The magnitude of the current is determined by the depth of the cable buried. If the current is large, the signal will be strong. But if the burial is shallow and the current is too large, the interference will be stronger. So it's fine to adjust it to between 50 to 100. Now you can use the receiver box and the ground drill to fix the point within the fault range measured during the rough test. Insert the ground drill on the ground and observe the current indicator on the receiving box. If the pointer is to the left, move the ground drill to the right, and if the pointer is to the right, move the ground drill to the left. Finally found the point of failure.